Alright, what's up YouTube? Bowman Suit here, come back with another box break. Rookies and Stars 2010. I've opened a lot of this stuff and I'm bound to pull a really nice patch autograph. I've always pulled subpar ones out of here. Let's pull a Tim Tebow or something sick. Baby Mojo, yeah. Alright, here we go. Good luck. None of the rookies are numbered, so I'm not gonna name them off or anything. Unless they're longevities or something like that. I might pull the Mike Williams once. Pulled this card last time. Not a hit or anything. Pulled the exact same card. Numbered 8 of 25. It's gonna be one of the SP for the Titans. Vince Young. Longevity. The other one I think it pulled was numbered to 100 though. That one's numbered to 25. Nice looking card. Pulled one of those last time. Oh Jesus. I think this is from the same case too. I pulled this card last time. Exact same hit. Number 251 of 299 for the Cowboys. Shane Lee. I think. Exact same one. Shane Lee autograph. For the Cowboys. And this is from the same case. So. Thank you, Panini. Who is right? I hate how they have these stupid prize things in there. It's got a Star Rookies number to 500 of the Pats, Taylor Price, Rob Gronkowski. To make sure that's not the hit. Got a Javid Best cross training number 84 of 100. Gotta pay attention to what I'm doing. Philip Rivers not numbered. Insert. Got a Kenny Britt Gold Longevity as numbered 28 of 49. Pretty low numbered. Show that real quick. 28 of 49 Gold Longevity. That was one shitty pack. Complete all base. Nothing. No rookies, no nothing. And that's all base too. Wow, what a shitty pack. Holy crap. 3 packs in a row, nothing but base. Start ripping fast. I'm trying. I'm not the best pack ripper, that's for sure. You guys know. Yeah, let's pull Sam Bradford. Sam Bradford's a beast. I actually like Sam Bradford. Vince Young, number to 500 Gold Stars. Let's pull somebody like that. Clausen, Tebow, Bradford. All base. If I pull another freaking Jacoby Ford patch autograph, I'm gonna be pissed. I've already pulled like 3 of those things out of this product. All base. Oh, how many hits we've gotten so far? 1? Jesus, where the hell are all the hits at? We're getting down to 2, 4, 6, 8 packs, 9, 10 packs left. Yeah, the Raiders would like that hit. And if we do, more power to you. I would just like to. So this is from a new case, so you never know. Actually, no, this is the same case. Never mind. This is the same case. I remember there was like 2 boxes left out of the case. This is the same case. So hopefully there's not a Jacoby. Well, there's a Shane Lee in there, so you never know. Might be another Jacoby Ford. The Heroes was a new case. Okay, now all base. Jesus. Alright, I'm getting a little worried. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 packs left. Still looking for 3 more hits. Here's a hit in here. Good luck. Sick patch, man. 3-color patch, 3 breaks, blue, black, and white for the Lions, of course. True 17, 39 of 50. Calvin Johnson. Sick looking patch. Nice looking patch. It actually says Calvin Johnson Jr. Not a lot of cards say Calvin Johnson Jr. on it. Yeah, Sevens is collecting that set. I don't know if he's got that one or not. Got a Kevin Boss for the Giants. Longevity, number 10 of 99. Got 5 packs left. Still looking for 2 more hits. And it's going to be all base. Calvin Johnson Jr. Longevity, number to 249, to go with your patch card. Alright, these last 3 packs, I'm going to be mad if we get shorted. I think there's a hit in here. There's a hit in here. Good luck. Wow, he actually signed something. Holy crap. For the Jets, low numbered, I think Foxborough has them, numbered 18 of 25, Joe McKnight patch auto. Joe McKnight. Usually is a redemption. I'm surprised he actually signed something. Numbered 8 of 25. Very nice. Nice looking card. Still looking for 1 more hit, 2 packs left. Last hits right there. So we got all our 4 hits. That's awesome. I don't want to get shorted. And that's going to be all base, which it is. Alright, last hit. Good luck, guys. There you go. What do you know, Adam? You didn't think you were going to get a hit. What did I tell you? Number 42 of 125 for the Texans. Single color jersey of Andre Johnson. Andre Johnson. Not a bad box. So that's it. Come back with some more. Gonna do Absolute and Gridiron Gear next. Bum to suit out.